And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the option tag. Option can be used in different ways, but generally it's used to define an element in a list that can be selected. In this case I've got a select dropdown, and it has two options. Prior to it is a label. For now it's YouTube and Twitter as options. Let me add a third. What I do, let me add, you can also use options for opt groups and data lists. I will talk about that when I arrive at these specific elements. Here we've got a select where we use the option. Now we've got Instagram in it. There are a couple of attributes that we can use. For example, selected. It selects the option that's visible when the page reloads. There's also a disabled attribute. So let me disable YouTube. And if I now select Twitter, YouTube can't be selected anymore. So it's grayed out, as you can see. Another attribute to know is called a value attribute. Usually you want to add that to every option. So when the user selects one of these options and it's submitted via the form, the server needs to know what value it has. So if you add a value to each option, the server then knows. And usually you use lower cap for that. So I would write it like this. It doesn't change anything in the browser, but it's stuff for the backend. Finally, we also have a label attribute that we can use. Let me add it to Instagram, which might be a little bit too long, so I'll make it Insta or IG. If I refresh it, you now have YouTube, Twitter and Insta. So it doesn't matter what you add in between the option tags. When you have a label, the label value is shown in the browser. So let me make it extremely long here. And it still says Insta. But when I get rid of the label, we've got this long text now shown in the dropdown. And this is what you can use the option tag for in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.